Hello guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I'm going to show you a website called Community House Rental Management. Nowadays, people are moving to one place to another place like regularly. If they once move to another place, they need a home to stay. They will start searching the homes for rent. Online searching can be more easier than searching other ways by their own. In our project, we have that facility we have created called Community House Rental Management. So coming to the flow diagram of this website here, the communities will log in into the website with the login credentials like email address and password. After login into the website, the community will add the property type to this website and also add the properties by giving the property name, picture, email, address of the property. By adding all this information about the properties, the community will add the properties to the website. After adding the property, including the property adding, in that the property can add the insurance type also. So for that, this all property can be viewed in view property page, and by clicking the view insurance button, the insurance will also display to the tenants. So after adding the properties to the website, the tenants will register into the website with the registered email address, phone number, name, picture of the tenant. So ID, by providing the ID proof, they'll enter into the registration, complete the registration form details. So after registration, the tenant will log in into the website with registered email address and password. After entering into the website, the tenant can view the properties which are added by communities, and they can view the products, and by clicking the send request button, they will send the request to that particular property. So these all sended requests will be viewed in the view contracts page, and community will log in into the website and view the contracts which are sent by the tenant, and they can view the contracts and approve those contracts, and these progress will be stored in the property progress page. So in that we have three buttons like view complaints, add bills, and resolve complaints. So by clicking the add bills button, the community will add the bills, rented bills for that particular product. The tenants can view those bills and pay the amount. After paying the amount, the tenant will check in into the property. So after checking into the property, the tenant will raise the complaint about the particular property. If they have any complaints, they'll raise in the raise complaints page, and those complaints will send to the communities. And by clicking the view complaints button, the community can view the complaints of the tenant, and they'll resolve the complaints by clicking the resolve complaints button. These all information will be stored in the history page of the communities. So this is the flow diagram of the website. Let's get into the output now. So this is the homepage for Community House Rental Management System. So here we have two modules like community and tenant. Community, I'm logging into the community page now with the username and password. This is the homepage for communities, and here the community will add the property type. Property added successfully, and add property filling the number of bedrooms. Pets allowed or not allowed. So by choosing the button, property number, upload insurance, rent per month, use picture of the apartment, number of bathrooms, parking slots, specialities. The terms and conditions. By clicking the add property button, the property will be added to website. Property added successfully. After adding the property, those properties will be viewed in the view properties page. Here the insurance button, the insurance will be displayed like this. And after adding the properties, the tenant will register into the website with the name, email address, phone number, ID proof, occupation, password, total family members. By clicking the register button, the tenant will be registered into the website. After registration, the login, tenant will log in into the website with the registered email address and password. So by clicking this view ID proof button, the ID proof will be viewed and view property here. So you can view the property insurance and send request to this particular property. By clicking the send request button, the rent start date and the rent end date, by entering these details, the summary, send request sent properly. So if they want to cancel the contract, we can cancel the contract by clicking the cancel contract button. So we'll get into the community again. Here the community can view the request, and by clicking the reject and accept buttons, the contract will be approved or rejected by the community. So I'm accepting the community here. So after accepting the contract, the bills will be added by community only. So I'm adding the rental bills. Like this, they generate the bill for that particular. So they can also view the complaints here and view the bills here. Bill generated, the status will be in bill generated, and we'll go to tenant and pay the bill. So view contracts, in that we have view bills button. So by clicking the pay bill button, the bills will be added to community. So this card, by entering the card number, this card number must be in 16 digits. Name of the card, CVV number, expiry date, pay, amount paid. So here the status will be changed as amount paid. Raise the complaint. Complaint raised, and here we have the vacate option. So by clicking the vacate option, vacate request will be sent to the communities. So the community will log in again. and view the bills which are paid by the tenant and view complaints and make them as solved. So like this, after logging into the community can view the properties. So in that, the community can view the complaints which are raised by the tenant and make best resolve them. So resolve complaint, and after this they'll close the after completing the complaint, resolving the complaint, the status will be changed and this contact will be closed by the communities. And we'll go to tenant again. I'll check the output here. So tenant request accepted and request notification, and this will be done. And view complaints is resolved, complete resolved. Like this, the community house rental management will be worked. So this is the website. Hope you guys all understand. Thank you.